you have been setting up Claude Code wrong. I was too until I found this free GitHub repo. 27 agents, 64 skills, 33 commands, built-in security scanner with 1282 tests, works on Claude Code, Cursor, Open Code, and Codex. All of it, 0 rupees, open source forever. This replaces weeks of manual setup, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. I am Kashif from TechFireCo. We cover the best artificial intelligence tools, free alternatives, and real developer workflows worldwide. Subscribe if you are new, link is right there. Let us get into it. Here is what everything Claude Code gives you. 48 specialized agents, planners, reviewers, and security auditors. 182 skills, test-driven development, front-end, backend, DevOps, and media. 68 command shims / commands that just work, plus hooks, rules, and MCP configs, all pre-configured, nothing to figure out. GitHub stars 140,000, forks 21,000, Anthropic hackathon winner. This thing is legit. Okay, so here is the problem with vanilla Claude Code. You open it, blank slate, no agents, no workflow structure, no guardrails. You spend hours configuring claude.md files, writing custom hooks, setting up MCP servers, figuring out which model for which task. It works, but it takes weeks to get right, or it used to, because this repo does all of that for you. In under 2 minutes, everything Claude Code. That is the repo name. It is a performance optimization system for artificial intelligence agent harnesses. Let me break that down simply. Instead of Claude Code being a blank tool, this turns it into a fully set up expert team. You get agents that plan features for you, agents that review your code for security holes, agents that fix build errors automatically, skills that enforce test-driven development, application programming, interface design, and deployment. It is like hiring a senior developer team, except it is free and it never sleeps. Let me show you the 2-minute setup. Watch this. Inside Claude Code, run one command, write /plugin marketplace add. Then paste a GitHub repo URL for everything Claude Code. That is it. Now write /plugin install. Then write everything Claude Code at everything Claude Code. Plugin installed. Now clone the repo to get the rules. The plugin system cannot distribute rules automatically, so you copy them manually. Super fast though. Write git clone and then paste the GitHub repo URL. Then copy common rules and your language. First, write the copy command for the common rules folder. Then write the copy command for the TypeScript rules folder. Done. You now have 48 agents, 182 skills, and 68 commands. All loaded, ready to use? Let me verify inside Claude Code. Write /plugin list and then everything Claude Code at everything Claude Code. Boom, everything is there. Let me share some features. Feature 1 /plan instant implementation blueprint. I type add user authentication with OAuth. Watch what happens. It creates a full implementation plan. Files to create, tests to write first, edge cases. This alone saves 30 minutes every feature. Feature 2 /code review, real security analysis, not just style. It checks OWASP top 10, SQL injection, cross-site scripting, authentication vulnerabilities. This is a security auditor built in. Feature 3 Agent Shield, 1282 security tests. Write npxecc Agent Shield scan. It scans your entire Claude Code configuration, hook injection, MCP server risks, secret leakage, A to F security grade in seconds. This is wild for a free tool. Feature 4 Continuous learning. It learns your patterns. Every session, it extracts what worked, saves it as instincts with confidence scores. Write /instinct status. Over time, your Claude Code gets smarter, customized to your code base automatically. Feature 5 Cross-platform support. Cursor, Open Code, Codex command line interface, anti-gravity, one repo, all harnesses. No duplicate setup. This is the unified artificial intelligence coding workspace. Okay, I'm being honest now. First, this requires Claude Code command line interface version 2.1 or newer. If you are on an older version, update first. Second is, the multi-agent commands like /multiplan need an extra runtime install. You have to write npxccg workflow. Without that, they will not work. Third is, too many MCPs kill your context window. Their recommendation is under 10 MCP servers active. Keep it lean or you lose 60% of your context. Fourth one is, this is community maintained. It is excellent quality. 140,000 stars validates that, but if something breaks, you file a GitHub issue, not a support ticket. Overall, minor limitations for a massive free tool. Let me put this in perspective. Hiring a senior developer to set up a proper Claude Code workflow from scratch, that is 40 plus hours and thousands of dollars. Buying premium artificial intelligence coding assistant plugins, most charge $20 to $50 per month for way fewer features. Everything Claude Code comes at zero cost. Bonus tip most people miss is token cost optimization. The repo includes recommended settings that cut your Claude application programming interface cost significantly. In your settings.json file, add this: model equals sonnet, maximum thinking tokens equals 10,000, Claude autocompact % override equals 50. Sonnet handles 80% of coding tasks. Switch to Opus only for deep architecture work. This alone can cut your Claude cost by 60%. That is real money saved every month. Okay, let us recap what you just got for free. 48 agents, 182 skills, 68 commands, security scanner with 1282 tests, token optimization settings, and it works on every major artificial intelligence coding platform. Link to the repo is in the description below. Now, if you are using Claude Code for development, you are missing one more massive free tool. I covered the full Claude Code free setup using only Gemini in the video right here. Watch that next. See you in 3 seconds.